In this video, I will be showing you how to easily verify your PayPal account. It's a very easy tutorial, so just bear with me. All you have to do is to go to a Google web browser and then type PayPal. Okay, so for me, I use Google web browser, but actually you can use Microsoft Edge or other browser. Everything is up to you. Now click the first one that appears here. So we have two options here. We have login and sign up. So if you have existing account, if you have an existing account, just click this login. But of course, if you don't have, then click sign up. Now choose this personal account because if you don't have business account yet, then you can choose this personal account first. Okay, so tap this one and then here you have options, but for me I just have to choose individual freelancer and then tap next. Now this is very important. You have to enter your phone number because most of your transactions on PayPal needs notification and other things, so it's very important for you to type or put your phone number here, do the security challenge and then confirm your phone, because if you don't put your phone number you can't confirm this one. So you have to type the code that they send to your phone. Okay, and then oops again. Once done, so you have to set up your profile now. Of course, people needs your email address. Okay, make sure that this is a valid email address. And then you haven't used this email address to other PayPal account. Okay, that should be clear. And then your first name, you must be true because people will ask for any proof later, such as your ID, your bank account. So you have to be careful with your information here. You need to type your name, last name, and then, of course, your password. Password should be unique and something that you can easily remember. And then once done, as you can see, suggested password, something like that. Click next. So here, of course, PayPal needs your address. So you must be very true also with your address here. First, type your date of birth and then choose your ID. For me, I chose passport and then ID number. Now we have street name, house number, subdivision. You must be very careful and should be honest with this. So once done, click agree and create account, but you can also review first before tapping this one. Okay, so once you're sure, just tap this. And then this is what it looks like. This is your PayPal account. This is a personal PayPal account. So as you can see, you have only a few options here. You have send, request, contacts, and more. And actually, you can just send someone money by easily, tapping or typing the email address here. Now we have create an invoice, create your PayPal, let me profile. So these are the options and features on personal PayPal. Now, if you wanted to upgrade or if you have lots of transactions on PayPal, or let's just say you have a business account or you're running a business, then I think you need to upgrade your PayPal to business account. Now, how are you going to do that? On your profile, scroll down and look for upgrade to a business account. So you have to click this one, and then they will ask you some information, just basic. For example, we have tell us about your business type. So I'm going to choose individual, click continue. And then, yes, the first one here, create a business account. Okay, because of the first one was a personal account with few features. So click this business account here. Now create a business account, legal first name. Be careful with this. It should be your legal first name, your legal last name. So your email address and a strong unique password. Okay, So these are just very basic information. You don't have to provide private information here. These are just legal name. Okay, so email address and then password. And then once you're done with this, all you have to do is to click agree and submit. And wait, do not forget to check the first or the box here that says you read all or agree to the user agreement and privacy statement. So check this one and then tap agree and submit. Okay, so wait for a few seconds and this is it. Hi Ellie, ready to use people? Yes, of course. And then fill us on the basics. I'll choose individual seller because I'm not yet businessman or woman. I mean, I don't have big business, so I think it's okay if you choose individual seller. So once you tap this one, you have to fill out information here, not the very private information, such as business name, your business name, what type of business is this, of course, and then it's the same thing, your birth date, okay, business type, individual, okay, what's your nationality, and then what's your phone number. Phone number is very important. You cannot skip this one. And then street name and also uh, some other information about your address here. So once you're done, all you have to do is to click next. Okay, do not forget the zip code and your province. Okay, click next and then, okay, I think this is the last step. You have to type your business, yes, your residential address. I think, the information are just so no need to be worried about this one. Okay, so use your residential address here. It's the same. If you don't have website, then feel free to tap no. Okay, so answer this. And then once done, you can now click next. Okay, so once you click this one, it says you are all set. Congratulations, click next. So this is what business account looks like. Okay, so there are more options, more features, home activity, pay and get paid, marketing for growth, business tools. Now, our tutorial is all about getting verified. All you have to do is to complete your profile, confirm your email address, and lastly, we have here link a bank or card. So to link a bank card, you just have to type your bank name here, bank code, account number, okay, account name, and then link your bank. Of course, skip this link AUS bank if you don't have this one. So just type your bank name here and then it will automatically link to your PayPal. So it would be easy for you, or let's just say there will be an easier transaction for this. So once you link your bank account, you can now send a money and receive money via PayPal. You can send money also by getting that person's email address. It's the same thing. But for safer and faster process, of course, PayPal would suggest to use your bank. Okay, so we have also here, like what I've said, send money, just type the email address. Okay, and if you have contacts, that person is in your contacts and the person's contact is also linked to his or her PayPal account, then all you have to do is to just go to contacts and tap the name. Okay, here you have to choose a payment for goods and services. This is the easiest way also to send money using PayPal. Okay, so if you have bank account, then you cannot see this one. It will take you directly to the payment method. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to get verified on PayPal. So always remember, just complete your profile, confirm your email address, and link your bank account. Then you can use your PayPal anytime, anywhere. So if you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.